Thursday Night Football takes us to New England this week, where the Patriots will host their division rival New York Jets. New England a 10-point favorite on BetDAQ, 44 the total in this game. Big 10-point number here in a divisional matchup might scare some people off. After all, the underdog always does well in this rivalry, covering in 4 of the past 5 meetings. Just seems like the Jets are always able to give the Patriots a game. But this year's Jets team especially bad. They're just 1-5, their only win coming over Oakland, and they seem to be getting worse. Their last 2 losses have come by 45 combined points. They are just atrocious offensively. Ranked 30th in the NFL in both total offense, meaning yards per game, and points scored. 32nd, dead last in passing offense. Their quarterback, Geno Smith, not only is he last in the NFL in pass yards per game, but he's committed more turnovers than any player in the league since the beginning of last season. It is just ugly right now for this New York offense. And they'll be facing a New England defense that has played very well this season. The Patriots 5th in the league in total defense, 3rd against the pass. So it's going to be very difficult for the Jets to move the ball in this matchup. If you're a New York bettor here, if you're taking the 10 points, really your only hope, what you're probably banking on, is that this New York defense is going to be able to slow down the New England offense. After all, the Patriots have not been great on offense this season. They've been a lot better over the last couple of weeks, but still, in 3 of their 6 games, they've scored 20 points or fewer, and they do rank in the bottom half of the league in both total offense and points scored. However, as we said, this New England offense has come alive over the past couple of weeks. They've produced 80 combined points in games against Cincinnati and Buffalo. Both of those teams have excellent defenses. And look, the Jets, they have been pretty good on defense this year, 6th in total defense, but they struggle against the pass. Not great in the secondary, so I do think Tom Brady is going to be able to have some success here. And even though we're looking at a 10-point number, hard for me to turn away from New England in this spot. The Jets just strike me as a sinking ship right now. Seems like Rex Ryan is losing his grip on his job. And we know this is a big rivalry, Patriots-Jets. I'm sure it would please Bill Belichick greatly to be able to effectively end Rex Ryan's tenure in New York. And I do believe with a big win here tonight, a 35-point win, that might happen. The Patriots might be able to end Ryan's time in New York. So I think this is going to be a blowout. I think the Patriots are going to win big. Like I said, if you are betting on the New York Jets, you might want to look at the under also, because I believe the only real chance the Jets have of hanging around here is if their defense plays well, limits this New England offense, keeps this game sort of ugly and low scoring. So if you're looking at New York plus 10, you might want to look at under 44 also. As for me, I'll be looking at the other side. I like the Patriots to cover the 10 points here.